Hello and welcome back. Today, let's uh, continue with what we have been doing. So, as usual, we start with Jupyter notebook. Then we come to, when you look at these, we have this data. Now, see, we have this Lego, and this is data. When you open it, you have so many things, including this introduction. So but our main thing is about the asset and data. This one and an asset, which are the themes. But still, we can uh, we can change this. We can change this to asset and data, or we can set this. Let me show you. We can rename this by right click, and then we come here to rename. This is asset and data, so we can say AD, asset and data. It doesn't make sense, but Lengo Company Limited, we are talking about Lengo, so Ltd, but because of the ease of remembering what, let it remain like that. And then you can hit enter. And I just wanted to show you how we can change if you want it to change, to be changed, right? Now let's create this. Let's create this new. Let me cancel this. It is making us not good. Let me now. Next lesson, we create this new working platform such as this we have been doing.